What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited. We are stocking the shop a little bit early this week, 2 hours early to be exact. So at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time is when the shop will be open for you to snatch your favorite slime babies, and it's just gonna be really cool. I know a lot of you are already out for the summer, so I just wanted to do earlier restock. Let me know if I should do that throughout the summer, because I could definitely do that. This restock is pretty lit because we have a couple of DIY clay slimes, we have a brand new duo, and I'm just really excited to get into it. So starting out, we are watching the queen right now on the screen. She is Chanel number 2, the queen of Unicorn Slime Shop, my #1 bestseller. Scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, very thick and glossy, super holdable, and great for bubble pops. Also, if you want a truly DIY slime experience, you can actually purchase a make your own Chanel number 2 box, so you can make your own version of my bestseller, and we actually sell that in the shop. It comes with everything you need to make it, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to be doing like a little tutorial on how you can make the slime with the box, so stay tuned for that. These two 32-ounce slimes are not for sale this week. However, there is a chance that you can snatch them up for free, because I'm actually going to be giving away both of these as gifts to the 2 highest orders without shipping, of course. So, you know, the more slime you buy, the more slime you can get. You can possibly get a free 32-ounce, and I think that is super cool. Next up, we have Mud Mask, and this is my 3rd bestseller. This one is super sizzly and spreadable and just amazing. Also another very holdable slime, super creamy as well. Like, this slime literally has it all, and it smells so good, like green tea lemon. It's so soothing and relaxing, and I just really love this texture because it's a hybrid of 2 of my favorite slimes, a butter slime and a cloud cream. They go so well together. If you haven't snatched this one, you definitely need to try. Now, you know, honey, I did not forget about my baby Baja Blast, which is my 2nd bestseller, but this week the only way you can get it is with the Taco Bell Duo. So it comes with 1 8-ounce of Baja Blast and an 8-ounce of Doritos Locos Taco, which is super, super cool. Baja Blast is amazing. If you haven't heard of Baja Blast, it is another hybrid slime, but it's a hybrid of a cloud dough and an icy slime. So it's basically like a clear-based cloud dough, and it's really, really cool. It has a little bit of that web effect, a little bit of a drizzle when you pull on it, which is my favorite part of this slime. Also, it smells exactly like a Baja Blast that you would get from Taco Bell. Really, really nice. It smells amazing, just like Mountain Dew basically, but with like pineapple and blue raspberry. It smells so, so good. And you can't go to Taco Bell and just get a Baja Blast, you know? You need to get a taco as well. And my favorite taco there is Doritos Locos tacos. It's so good. It's like a Dorito and a taco combined. It's so amazing. This one here is a thick and glossy slime with a bunch of add-ins to make it look like a taco. So there are foam beads to look like meat or beans if you're vegan. There's also some lettuce pieces, some little foam pieces of cheese, and then some square red pieces that are foam to make it look like tomatoes. And it's just super, super cool. It's actually scented like tortilla chips as well, so it smells really nice, and I just really love this slime. I'm obsessed because it's super glossy as well, and I believe I am gonna have this at Slimetopia as well. So if you're gonna be in Slimetopia, I am going to be there as well. It's June 15th and 16th in Auburn, Washington, and it's gonna be really cool, and I believe I'm gonna have this for you. Next up, we have a new cake pop slime. A lot of you have asked me to bring back another cake pop slime, so I decided to go with Red Velvet this week. So Red Velvet Cake Pop is a DIY clay slime. It is a little ball of clay covered in these white foam beads to make it look super cute. And then it also comes with that cake pop stick there so that you can make it look really cool for like an Instagram video. And then of course it comes with a red velvet cake scented base so that you can mix the clay into your slime, and it just creates the best like fluffy clay slime. It's super, super cool. Hi, it's me again. I have another surprise for you. For the first 20 minutes, I actually have a discount code for 25% off. All you have to do is at checkout use code I made it. Yes, I made it. IMADEIT for 25% off. Next up, we have Jelly Bath, which is, surprise, surprise, a jelly slime. And it is literally, okay, I'm not going to say my favorite, but it's definitely one of my favorites from this restock. It is so good. It's super, super squishy and jelly-like. It is like one of the OG jelly slimes, like from back in the day. So, you know, don't expect like an icy jelly slime kind of hybrid. This one is like jelly, honey. She is squishy and just amazing. I love it so much. So I was inspired to do this slime by the jelly bath that you actually throw into your bathtub. It's like some powder stuff you throw in, and it makes your bathtub jelly slime basically. So I was like, you know what, I need to make a slime inspired by that and throw in a little rubber ducky charm because that is cute AF. And yeah, I just really love this slime. It's unscented, so if you have scent allergies or don't like scents, this one is perfect for you. And it's just amazing. I love how clear it gets and jelly-like. It's just so good. This slime right here is our second DIY clay slime this restock. This one here is called Mickey's Rainbow Waffle, and I just love it so much. It's super cute. It starts off with a base that's scented like waffles and sugar cookies, which is amazing. And then in a separate 8-ounce container, it actually comes with a rainbow waffle made out of clay so that you get to top it off yourself. And then of course it comes with Mickey sprinkles so that you can just, you know, sprinkle it on yourself. It's a DIY Surprise, surprise. This slime is super fun to mix just to watch all the colors combine, and I just really love it. You definitely need to snatch this one as well for the restock. One of my favorites for sure. And lastly, for this restock, we have Mystery Milk, which is making a comeback. I used to call this Mystery Cereal Milk, but I'm just going to call it Mystery Milk now. It is basically just a thick and glossy white slime, super thick and super glossy, and it comes with 2 cow charms, and it's mystery scented every week. So let me know if you want me to bring this back like weekly, and I could definitely do that. I think that'll be super cool. But yeah, this week it has like kind of a fruity scent, but it's not like a basic fruit. It's not like a regular strawberry or anything. So if you like fruity scents, you're definitely gonna like it. It smells amazing. Alright, Hanny, let's get into this Chanel box here. So in the box, it comes with everything you need to make Chanel and instructions as well. So that is amazing. I'm actually going to show you how to whip it up really fast because it's actually easy. And you probably don't even need instructions because you probably already know, since I've already done like a million videos on how to make Chanel. But you know, everything is at your fingertips here and it's really cool. And I love as well how we actually use like the glue dots to secure everything. And then what you don't see in the video is actually there's like bubble wrap and or like little paper mailers in there as well to make sure that nothing gets broken or anything on the transit way to you, you know? So that's cool. So right now I'm emptying the glue all that's provided in there, and then I'm going to add in the clear glue next. While I'm adding the glue, I do want to let you all know that if you want to purchase a Chanel box, you have to purchase it separately in a separate transaction if you want to order other slimes, just because the Chanel box comes in its own box, and you know, it's special for the Chanel box, so we can't fit any other slimes in there. So if you want to like order extra slimes, just make sure that you check out with the Chanel box first and then go ahead and order your other slimes. And it will also save you, oh my god, it will save you on shipping as well, because if we were to ship everything together, it'd be super heavy and super expensive. So you know, I got you. So now you just saw me add in the paint. I added in all of it basically, and then this little vial actually contains glycerin, scent, and baby oil to make it glossy and scented, of course, and super stretchy. So now that I added all of that in, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. I cringe at myself. Alright, now that all that is mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime. I had pre-made activator, but we actually give you some borax powder for yourself to make some activator along with instructions so that you can make the perfect activator for Chanel. And that is basically it. Once you're done activating, your slime is done. Just let it sit for a little bit and it will get thicker and it will glossen up. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found something that you would like to purchase, and let me know if you want to see anything be brought back in future restocks. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!